Well, welcome back, everybody. We are warm this morning. A lot of locations out there. Take a look. We got 44 in Lakewood, 43 in Centennial. You get up north, though, it's a little bit colder up there, like Windsor's at 22, 15 in Greeley. Part of the reason for the 40s this morning, we got a little westerly wind that's really going to enhance our temperatures today. Jeff Newfer in Thornton coming in at 39. Our weather watcher there. Now, for today, we do have a high wind warning for gusts up to 85 miles per hour, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. for our Front Range foothills, all the way up into the mountains of Summit County and Grand County up there. So Evergreen, Conifer, Bailey included in that, the west side of Boulder, and some of those foothills just outside of Fort Collins. Also, Sangre de Cristo Mountains included in this, including the foothills that spread all the way out to Walsenburg for the big winds down there. Fire danger could be high from Pueblo down through Trinidad today. Red flag warning there all day today for wind gusts there up to 45. Lookout Mountain camera, we're starting to see a little bit of light show up out east. It'll be sunny initially, but if you look at the satellite here, clouds are moving up north from Wyoming down south and out west. So we'll see the high clouds drift in again, much like what happened yesterday when we were clear to start and then the clouds kind of filtered out the sunshine. That's all ahead of the big front. The next big thing, which is now moving through Boise, outside of San Francisco as well, with rain and mountain snow moving through there. That'll be sliding through along with some strong jet stream enhanced winds. And that's the reason we're expecting the winds to really pick up later today. So in the afternoon, snow starts to move into the northwestern corner of the state. Overnight really picks up in the mountains. And then for us tomorrow, will be cloudy to start things off. By rush hour, maybe a little rain snow mix for us, and then a shot of snow tomorrow night into Thursday morning from Denver out over the northeastern plains sliding in. Winter storm warnings and advisories going on for up to a foot of snow from Steamboat down through the San Juans today. High temperatures, though, before all that happens in the 60s here in the metro area and most of eastern Colorado as well. So 64 in Denver, 50 tomorrow, and then a mix in the afternoon. And then as we go into Thursday, 38 with early flurries. Could see about 1 to 4 inches of snow in the Denver metro area by Thursday morning, and then back to the 40s by Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, ringing in the new year. I'm not looking for any snow until maybe New Year's Day night into Monday. So the weekend, if you're headed out, is going to be kind of chilly, but it should be a very nice night in downtown Denver to go check things out.
Sounds great. Thanks so much, Dave.